Let me show you how to turn $1 into a poem of money in Photoshop. Start by clicking on the remove background button from the properties panel to hidden the background. Then select the rectangle marquee tool and make selection around the dollar bill. Next, go into edit and select define pattern and press OK. Disable the selection. Create a new layer and disable the original dollar bill and go into the edit menu and select fill from here. Under the contents drop down, select pattern, enable the script, select the random fill and from the drop down select the dollar bill pattern that you created earlier and press OK to bring up the random fill dialog box. From here, increase the density to 10 pixels, set the minimum scale factor and the maximum scale factor to 0.5 so that all the dollar bills are the same size. Make sure that rotate pattern is checked and bring down the color randomness to 0 so that they are all the same color and just give it a little bit of brightness randomness. Press OK and you'll see the final result.